In this segment, I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the courses available on the UANativeNet. UANativeNet is a website devoted to providing training, education, and resources in tribal governance and the law. And one of the unique features of UANativeNet is its professional development and continuing education courses, all of which take advantage of modern educational technology to provide an interactive learning experience. When you arrive at the site, www.uanativenet.com, and click on the course catalog. The site launched with 3 courses. The Federal Indian Law course, and we'll take a quick look at it here. It's an 18-module class, so it's essentially a full semester course in Federal Indian Law, taught by Professor Rob Williams, who's one of the leading scholars in the field and one of the co-authors of the major textbook. The Federal Indian Law course is also available as 3 separate courses, each exploring a different time frame and a different time period in Federal Indian Law. If you're interested in taking one of our courses, you'll see the instructions on how to start the course, but you'll need to log in or register to set up an account. Once you purchase the course, it will be available in your My Courses link. Now, if you haven't logged in, the only thing you'll see here are the free samples. Once you're logged in, if you click My Courses, then all the courses to which you are subscribed and which you purchased are available here with the listings. Let's take a look at how the Federal Indian Law course works. So if you go to the course, this free sample from the Federal Indian Law course shows you the basic structure of how the Federal Indian Law course works, as well as the Native Nations Building course. As you navigate through the site, you'll see a video, which is the lecture, which will be illustrated by pictures and bullet points of key information here. And then suggested reading documents. If you click on these documents, they will open up in another window, and you'll have those available to you. And so this provides you a classroom experience with written material, the lecture by the professor, and then essentially what the professor would be writing on the board or showing on a PowerPoint. Also available is the Native Nation Building series, which is a 9-course unit taught by founders and instructors of the Harvard Project on American Indian Economic Development and the Native Nation Institute for Leadership, Management, and Policy. And you can purchase either the entire course, or again, the course is available in 2 components, either as the Foundations of Nation Building or as Nation Building in Practice. It follows the same format as the Federal Indian Law course. The next course that launched with the site is the Setting Water Quality Standards, and this is a different format. What this course does is walk you through the process of what's important about water quality and why water quality is important. And then it walks you through the different options for regulating water quality in Indian country. And one option, and the focus of the course, is the option to pursue treatment estate status. And what the course does is illustrate the process of pursuing treatment estate status and walks you through each one in an interactive format. Provides illustrations of what other tribes have experienced as they have pursued treatment estate status. And then warnings of troubled areas that are the things to be cautious of. As with all the courses, there's a test involved, so you can test your knowledge and see how well you learn the information available. And there's also a certificate of completion, and a certificate of completion is available for each of the courses. That's a quick look at the courses currently available. We have several other courses in development, and we'll be continually adding new courses as time goes on. We have in development courses on addressing domestic violence in the American Indian communities, Indian law, what every lawyer needs to know to avoid malpractice, courses on criminal and civil jurisdiction in Indian country, and a course on advocating on behalf of indigenous peoples in international human rights bodies. And that's a look at the courses available on NativeNet, so we invite you to explore our course catalog and learn more about them.